Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to link Likee account to Facebook. If you want to link your Likee account to Facebook so that you can share your videos faster, sync your account, or log in more easily, then here is how you do it. First of all, open up the Likee app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once logged in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Once you open up your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then click on Settings in the pop-up. From your Settings page, click on Account. On the next page, click on Linked Accounts and you can then go ahead and tap on the Facebook option under Linked Account. In the pop-up, click the Continue button so that you can end up in the sign-in page of facebook.com. Now enter your credential in the text boxes. Make sure you write in your mobile number or your email address, followed by your Facebook account's password in the respective text boxes. After you've done that, click on the Login button to log in to Facebook. Once you're logged in with your Facebook account's credential, you will see a confirmation that your Likee is now linked to Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Likee account to Facebook. Now you can easily share your content and enjoy a smoother login experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.